Hello again, everybody. Today I thought it might be fun to show you some of my favorite pinks. I'm going to do NYX Lip Lingerie in 02, and this is Maybelline Pink Fling, a perennial favorite. It's always a good idea to build your liquid lipsticks from the inside out. That way they don't get too heavy and cakey on the edges. It's quite a strong color, don't let it fool you. When you first put it on, it seems very light. But as you go along, you can see it deepens. So if you want a cool medium pink to a dark medium pink for sort of my skin tone, if you're warmer skin tone, this will just be a really cool medium pink, but it's got some depth to it, so it'll look good on you. But I find it a little purpley, which if I'm looking to rock that look, you know, I would do a cool smoky eye. That would be awesome. But I think I'm going to add the Pink Fling so I get a little bit of freshness to it. Here we come with Pink Fling. Yum. Same thing, inside out. Now you want to make sure to get to the absolute edge. So I'm going to pick up a bit of the base color and mix that with Pink Fling and just put this on the edges. So it's an invisible ombre. There should be no discernible outline. Make sure to go right up to the edge. Now because the NYX is so matte, even though the Pink Fling is juicy, when the two mix together, you just get a really good creamy lipstick finish. Tell me that isn't a gorgeous color. Because I won't believe you. This is Rimmel in Vintage Pink, and next to it is Maybelline Matte Ink in Dreamer. Now listen guys, Vintage Pink is just bomb. Look at that color. Now you can see that is just intense and beautiful, and if you put a light amount of it, it's also, like for my skin, can be quite a light color. For a medium tone skin, it's like just a really good strongish purple pink for everyone, but it's yummy. It's really, the texture is amazing, and it can afford to handle the matteness of the Maybelline Pink, which I'm just going to put on in the middle and to kill this juiciness just a little bit. I'm going to give this a second to dry for you to see just how this turns out. And that's how Vintage Pink and Dreamer dries down. Isn't that beautiful? It's still, you can still rub your lips together, but because I've put the liquid lipstick on top, this thing is going to last me all night. Next up, Lovesick and Carnation by KVD Beauty. So that is Lovesick, and now on top I'm going to put Carnation, which is just a little warmer, and this is that fantastic lip cream texture. Very excited, I really like these. So that is Lovesick with Carnation. Next up, perennial favorite, which is Inglot 411. I've mixed some cream into the 411 to make it move better. And that's Inglot 411. I've mixed a little bit of cream to improve the texture, but I think once you do that, it's gorgeous. The last one I'm going to pull up for you is Bourjois in Ultra Violette. Now you know how Bourjois is, you have to wait for it to dry. And that's how that dries down. While I have a lot of pinks that I love, you'll see that they mostly do require a little bit of mixing. So I hope this gives you a good set of colors to think of as the components as your pink kit, and just mix and match. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like if you're finding all of this stuff useful, and thank you so much for all of your support. Bye!